Video number 14. Understanding Ethereum. Ethereum is considered by many to be the second most popular cryptocurrency, surpassed now only by Bitcoin. In this video, we will understand features and applications of Ethereum. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a blockchain-based computing platform that enables developers to build and deploy decentralized applications, meaning not run by a centralized authority. You can create a decentralized application for which the participants of that application are the decision-making authority. Ethereum Features. Ether. This is Ethereum's cryptocurrency. Smart contracts. Ethereum allows the development and deployment of these. Ethereum Virtual Machine. Ethereum provides the underlying technology, the architecture, and the software that understands smart contracts and allows you to interact with it. Decentralized applications, Dapps. Ethereum allows you to create consolidated applications called decentralized applications. A decentralized application is called a DApp, also spelled D-A-P-P, app, or D-A-P-P for short. Decentralized Autonomous Organizations, DAOs. Ethereum allows you to create these for democratic decision-making. 1. Ether. Ether, ETH, is Ethereum's cryptocurrency. It is the fuel that runs the network. It is used to pay for the computational resources and the transaction fees for any transaction executed on the Ethereum network. Like Bitcoins, Ether is a peer-to-peer currency. Apart from being used to pay for transactions, Ether is also used to buy gas, which is used to pay for the computation of any transaction made on the Ethereum network. 2. Smart contracts. A smart contract is a simple computer program that facilitates the exchange of any valuable asset between two parties. It could be money, shares, property, or any other digital asset that you want to exchange. Anyone on the Ethereum network can create these contracts. The primary feature of a smart contract is that once it is executed, it cannot be altered, and any transaction done on top of a smart contract is registered permanently. It is immutable. 3. Ethereum Virtual Machine. EVM is the engine that understands the language of smart contracts, which are written in the Solidity language for Ethereum. EVM is operated in a sandbox environment. Basically, you can deploy your standalone environment, which can act as a testing and development environment, and you can test your smart contract, use it n number of times, verify it, and then once you are satisfied with the performance and the functionality of the smart contract, you can deploy it on the Ethereum main network. 4. Decentralized applications, DApps. A DApp consists of a backing code that runs on a distributed peer-to-peer network. It is a software designed to work in the Ethereum network without being controlled by a centralized system, as mentioned, and that is the primary difference. It provides direct interaction between the end users and the decentralized application providers. 5. Decentralized Autonomous Organizations, DAOs. A DAO is a digital organization that operates without hierarchical management. It works in a decentralized and democratic fashion. It exists on a blockchain network, where it is governed by the protocols embedded in a smart contract, and thereby DAOs rely on smart contracts for decision-making, or we can say decentralized voting systems within the organization. People add funds through the DAO because the DAO requires funding in order to execute and make decisions. Based on that, each member is given a token that represents that person's percentage of shares in the DAO. Real-world applications of Ethereum. Voting systems. As we've seen with DAO, voting systems are adopting Ethereum. The results of polls are publicly available, ensuring a transparent and fair democratic process by eliminating voting malpractices. Banking systems. Ethereum is getting adopted widely in banking systems because with Ethereum's decentralized system, it is challenging for hackers to gain unauthorized access. It allows payments on an Ethereum-based network. So banks are also using Ethereum as a channel to make remittances and payments. Shipping. Deploying Ethereum in shipping helps with the tracking of cargo and prevents goods from being misplaced or counterfeited. Ethereum provides the provenance and tracking framework for any asset required in a typical supply chain. Agreements. With Ethereum smart contracts, agreements can be maintained and executed without any alteration. So in an industry that has fragmented participants, is subject to disputes, and requires digital contracts to be present, Ethereum can be used as a technology for developing smart contracts and for digitally recording the agreements and the transactions based on them. Ethereum is slowly upgrading to its 2.0 version, which is expected to bring a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm. Planned to occur from 2020 to 2022, the traditional Ethereum network is working on merging with the Beacon chain, Ethereum 2.0's first new feature. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.